Win with SIP. Equity market moves in cycles. That means, what goes down is likely to come up again. In fact, when the market takes a downswing, it's an opportunity for mutual fund investors to add more units in their portfolio. But missing this window of opportunity might affect your portfolio significantly. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Investor A and Investor B started a monthly SIP of rupees 10,000 in equity fund in October 1998 and kept steadily adding more number of units with each passing month. But when the slowdown of 2000 brought down funds NAV by 40%, both of them took different investment decisions. While Investor A didn't pay attention to market uncertainty and continued his SIP, Investor B shied away from market volatility and discontinued his SIP in July 2000. He started again only when the market started recovering in October 2004 and missed an opportunity to buy more units at lower cost. This pattern repeated in 2008 when the NAV of the fund took a dip by 46%. Investor A accumulated more number of units and bigger coffers by continuing his SIP. But Investor B lost another opportunity to buy more units as he stopped his SIP during April 2008 to March 2014. Consequently, this is how their respective portfolio look like in 2019. Investor A accumulated an additional investment of rupees 12.20 lakhs by a stream, both during volatile times, and consequently generating 72.58 lakhs more wealth than Investor B. In other words, it is important to stay invested through different market cycles to average out cost and aim to generate wealth. And the longer you stay invested, the more opportunities you get to benefit from the market dips. And SIP is one way to befriend market volatility and accumulate more units, giving market fluctuations. With SIP, any time is the right time, as long as you are staying invested for long term. Market volatility is a potential opportunity to create wealth. Invest now and win with SIP.
To know more, get in touch with Next Portfolio today on 98103 63061.